Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share something incredibly powerful and super effective. A hair growth serum that's not only easy to make at home, but also works like magic for thick, long, and healthy hair. Let's dive straight into it. We're talking about a potent and nourishing hair serum that has been gaining a lot of popularity for its amazing benefits. This DIY serum is specially designed for thick hair growth and helps to bring back life to dull, damaged, and thinning hair. Now, what makes this serum truly amazing is that it can immediately stop hair fall. Yes, you heard that right. You can see a noticeable difference within just 1 to 2 uses. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? Let's begin with our hero ingredients. First up is Kalonji, also commonly known as black cumin or Nigella Sativa. This tiny black seed is truly a powerhouse when it comes to hair care. Kalonji is rich in antioxidants and also has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties not only protect your scalp from infections, but also create the ideal environment for hair to grow. Because of all these wonderful qualities, Kalonji is considered one of the best oils for hair health. It is well known for its ability to reverse hair damage and stimulate regrowth, making your hair thicker, shinier, and much healthier over time. Next, we have rosemary leaves, which are another fantastic ingredient for natural hair care. Rosemary has strong anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can calm your scalp, reduce irritation, and create a healthy base for hair follicles to thrive. What's more, it's known to promote nerve growth and boost blood circulation in the scalp area, which is key to preventing hair fall. With regular use, rosemary not only protects your hair from falling, but also supports the growth of new, strong strands. Alright, let's now begin making our serum. Take 1 cup of water in a saucepan and bring it to the stove. Now, add 1 tablespoon of Kalonji into the water. Follow it by adding 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves. These 2 ingredients together create a very powerful base for our serum. Put the saucepan on low flame. We want to simmer this gently and slowly to extract the benefits. As it heats up, keep stirring it occasionally with a spoon to ensure the ingredients don't stick to the bottom. Let it cook on low flame until the water is reduced to half, so around 1/2 cup. This will take a little time, so be patient, it's worth the wait. Once it's reduced, strain the mixture into a clean cup. This is our herbal extract, rich in hair-loving nutrients. Next comes the amazing flaxseed, which many of you might already be familiar with. Flax seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, both of which are essential for healthy hair growth. They help your hair grow faster and longer by deeply nourishing the hair follicles and providing strength from the roots. Vitamin E in flax seeds helps reduce free radical damage on the scalp and boosts shine and texture. Take 2 tablespoons of flax seeds and put them in a saucepan. Add 1 cup of water and cook this mixture on low flame. Keep stirring it with a spoon just like before. As it cooks, you'll see the water slowly transforming into a thick, jelly-like consistency. This is your flaxseed gel. Once you reach a thick, gel-like texture, turn off the flame immediately. Now comes a very important step. Filter it while the gel is still hot. If it cools down, the gel becomes too thick to strain easily, so act quickly and filter it while it's warm and smooth. And there you go, your flaxseed gel is ready, looking shiny and fresh. Next, take that beautiful flaxseed gel and blend it using a hand blender or mixer. This step is crucial because it helps break down the gel for a smooth, even texture and ensures that the other ingredients mix in perfectly. Now, go ahead and add the Kalonji and rosemary extract we made earlier into this blended gel. Give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Don't worry if you see a little foam on top, that's totally normal and will settle down after a while. Once mixed, pour the final serum in a clean glass bottle or jar. Keep it in the fridge for longer shelf life. Now let's talk about how to use it for best results. After washing your hair with a mild shampoo, while your hair is still damp, take a few drops of this serum into your palm and gently apply it to your scalp. You don't need too much, just enough to lightly cover your scalp. Leave it in your hair for 1 to 2 days. This serum is light and non-sticky, so it won't make your hair greasy. Then, before your next wash, apply some oil of your choice, just a light application. Do not massage it roughly, just gently spread the oil over the scalp. After that, wash your hair again with a mild, sulfate-free shampoo. Repeat this process regularly, and you'll begin to notice a reduction in hair fall and stronger, healthier hair. And that's it. This powerful natural serum is gentle, easy to make, and works wonders when used consistently. Give it a try and let me know your experience in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends and family. Thanks so much for watching, and take care of your beautiful hair.